Yo, YouTube. What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the only Carter, man. Back with the 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, 232 horsepower hybrid trim, and it's black edition. Welcome back to another video, and you guys already know what to do today. We got another POV drive today. This is day 21. We have 9 more days left of this day 30 marathon we did. Look at that beautiful spoiler we have, y'all. In today's video, we are going to hit the gas station, or actually, I'll probably go to Starbucks and then we'll find a chill location and end it. This is a quick little video because your boy just got an internship, man. Oh my God, buddy. Yo, we just got an internship with the Cleveland Browns. I'm about to be working with the coaches and the youth. It's like a youth little operation thing, so I will be working with kids. It's just to get my foot in the door because I am a content creator and, you know, I love content. So hopefully I get to be in the sports industry. Ultimate goal is to be a producer one day, chat. So hopefully you see me on Paramount or somewhere, you know what I'm saying? I'm such in a good mood, chat. Y'all don't understand. Hey, if you're new to this video, if you're new to the Only Carter, man, welcome, welcome, welcome. Bro, I create vision, I create reviews, I create POV drives, I create lifestyle, I create anything, man. Like, we Cartier, bro. But if to my loyal subscribers, I appreciate you guys, love you guys. Always make sure you run up this video and make sure you guys do subscribe. Yesterday, I did not get a video out because I had to go to my sister's graduation. So for today is gonna count for yesterday. So we still are on track. You know, we're still on pace, chat. Let's get the AC going. So chat, I have to be somewhere at 5:45 for this training for the Cleveland Browns. So I'm gonna, after I get done with this video, I'm gonna edit it, charge it up to 100%, and I'm gonna probably do a highway POV for you guys, because I gotta drive like an hour away from here. It's pretty far. But yeah, I'm glad to be back, chat. Glad to be back on YouTube. You know, funny, because I was actually at Chipotle yesterday with my friend. We were just chilling in the car eating Chipotle, or I was, and I seen this M2, just a regular M2. And I had asked, yo, the guy, what M is that? Because I couldn't see that far. He told me it was a 235i. I said, is it stock? He said, yeah. And then after he got his Chipotle, it was probably like 15 minutes, right? He gets in his car, drives away. He comes back 5 minutes later. He pulls up on us and say, yo, do you want to hop in for a ride? I said, are you for real? He was like, yeah, let me take you for a spin. So I hopped in the car. Great conversation, great connection. His name's Ryan. He actually went to Miami University, and he has his own business. See, that's motivation right there. Someone who has their own business. I know he'd be making money though. But yeah, it's just good people. I love talking to other car people. So if you're in the car, if you're in the community, shoot, we might as well get together and film some, you know, create content. That's all it is, chat. So yeah, that was one of my highlights of the day yesterday. Next modification, and probably get some mirror caps. That's what we're gonna do, chat. Hopefully you guys do enjoy it. Bro, like every time I drive my car, bro, it's just like, I know I don't have any like modifications like tuned and stuff like to make the car faster, but having your first spoiler on your car, bro, that means a lot, chat. Y'all don't understand. Y'all really don't understand. This place, Tulum, it's over there, it's good. It's a good Mexican restaurant. I haven't been though. I heard it's good. So yeah, actually we about to hit up Starbucks, go through the drive-thru, probably get myself a mocha cookie crumble, probably chill, and then we're gonna go to our destination. Destination's like literally 0.5 miles away from Starbucks. So it's gonna be a short little POV drive for you all. There's so many good locations around where I am. Like that location I was in, it was in a chill little location. It was a park, but had basketballs, you know. I'll probably be collabing with this one guy. He has a Honda. He has a 9th gen Honda. He has a spoiler, nice tail lights, and his car gets up there pretty quick. I ain't gonna lie. So we might do some flicks or do some rollers because I know he has a camera. I would like to do some rollers. I will only do rollers, like a video, if my car is clean. I cannot do it if it's dirty. My bad. Yeah, I'm checking the email to my YouTube, like my business account. I'm not seeing any collaboration, but it's cool. It's all good. I was telling myself I wasn't gonna get Starbucks, but I'm like, you know what? One time won't hurt. I need a mocha. And I just need it. It like starts my day, you know what I'm saying, Chad? I was talking to someone and they told me 7 Brew is better than Starbucks. What y'all think? I still gotta try 7 Brew. There's a 7 Brew in Ohio, it's just a little further. But I'll give y'all a review about that, actually. I don't know about 7 Brew. Looks like a gas station to me. But hey, it could be good. Oh, we might have to get a venti ice water as well. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Can I get started for you?
Hello, can I do a venti mocha cookie crumble, extra toppings?
Do you want extra mocha drizzle and extra?
Yeah, just like extra everything, if that's possible. And then can I just do a venti ice water and that's it?
Of course. It's gonna be $6.75 for you.
Appreciate it. Alright, so let's get this chicken, bud. Let's get this chicken. Just gonna use this $1.40. She said halle berry. I don't even know how many videos we were at. Hey, tap into my boy Cassie real quick. Tap into my boy Cassie real quick. He just graduated Hampton University with me. Let's see if it'll load. Hey, tap into his channel, man. He's very inspirational. Very inspirational. He's gonna be a content creator if he stays consistent. You know what I'm saying? Right here, right here. Oh shit.
Here you are.
Appreciate it. Have a good one.
You too.
All right, chat. Just got myself a venti mocha cookie crumble, man. That looks so good. So much chocolate though. Bad. What do you think he moving in a Porsche? Come on now. I'm dusting that all day. I know y'all hear that turbo. Nah, let me stop. It's just the Camry, man. It's just the Camry. Thinking about getting a G80, chat. Thinking about getting a G80 next. Can't wait for that. G80 will be sweet. That shit good. That shit good. You know what's crazy? None of this used to be here besides this one restaurant called Brewster's. This was never here maybe like 8 years ago. None of this was real. Besides that Kent State and this Brewster's. What is this home appliance? Shit, I never even heard of stuff like that. Fun, bro. This place right here, ho. Fun Buffet, bro. Like the location, I would never think of a restaurant over here, bro. It's just like some back rooms type of stuff. You know what I'm saying, chat? It don't look real, if that makes sense. Like, I would never go here. I feel like they definitely lynch people here. I'm so serious. Definitely feel like they be lynching people here. Because who's going to come over here? And there's no cars. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, chat, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like. Let's run it up, chat. Let's get the sub count up. You know what I'm saying? Run it up. Car still looks clean. Did a pretty good job on the tires. What y'all think? I think I did pretty good. Probably thinking about tinting 5% in the back. Yeah. But hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. The next video gonna be a banger, you know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all stay tuned. After day 30, we're gonna stop spamming for a pretty much a while. We're probably gonna go back to our main schedule, post 2 times a week, stuff like that. I want my videos to marinate, you know what I'm saying, chat? But hey, I love you guys. I do appreciate y'all 100%. I appreciate 2,083 subscribers. I appreciate all y'all. Love y'all. Make sure y'all stay blessed and do something that y'all love. We out, chat.